Hey, this is Wick from North Redford Towing. I just had a guy rear end me at the light and he took off, and we're here right at Aubrey and Beach Daily right now. I think he hit somebody else too. Stopped right now because he hit my car hard, so I think his car just broke down. He's hammered. Like a block from the station. Yeah, he's trying to walk away right now. No, I'm not sure about the other guy. The other guy said he got hit too, but hold on.
Me, and then he hit the tow truck, and the tow truck was
What up, man?
stopped.
You good, man?
Yeah. He hit me pretty hard, but I mean, that's a big ass truck.
He hit me first a mile and a half before.
Yeah, he hit him.
In West Chicago.
And he hit me at the light at Schoolcraft.
And I was just going like 40.
Yeah, went around me
Fucking lights come up
and
out of fucking
kept
nowhere.
going here, and I think his car died.
Right on Beach. I was coming up the... Oh, you hit me. Tow truck at. He must have been doing like over 100 because I was doing 40 up Beach.
Yeah, I seen him
And all of a
coming
sudden I
my
seen
mirror,
headlights out of nowhere. I was like, and then the mother.
Yeah, he got you pretty hard.
Anything? No injuries?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay.
Except
Okay.
my fucking pride.
No, I actually.
I mean-
So we'll take a look from there. I need to call for a hook.
Whack.
Mind can you get in
Yeah.
We're getting ready to shut it down for the night, and we heard it. We came flying, especially because one of our boys is out here. So nice of you.
Appreciate it a lot.
Of course, not a problem.
Really, I do. Like that guy was gonna fucking kill somebody.
Yeah.
Like,
100%. He's gonna go to jail now for resisting arrest plus OWI. So
All right. Thanks again.
screw him.
Hey, thanks.
All right, take care, man.